What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 8 live cop. Before I get into this video, I did want to say that I am starting to get sick, so I apologize if I'm a little off in this video, but we have an absolutely huge week and I'm so excited. So we do got the fall tees this week. I believe they're the fall tees. I don't know why they'd be the winter tees, so I think they're the fall tees, and a few accessories and a few random things. Obviously we got the Star football jersey, and at this point I don't even know if it's worth going for. I don't even know if I need it. I don't even know if I want it, because I haven't hit a single jersey yet that like I wanted for the personal, so I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to hit this. I do want to get the Pantone guide only because I'm actually in the market for one of these, and it's so crazy too because I forgot this was dropping. I texted my friend a few weeks back and now it's coming, and I was like, well, I might as well just get this one since they are really expensive for no reason. Surprisingly, that's the #1 most typed item for like the things that I want to get, not like of the week, but for things that I want to get. I'm not gonna go with the knife because I always get the knives and then I just kind of like never use them. I never even take them out, and I don't know, I'm kind of just over getting all the knives, and they're really expensive too, so I don't really think I need that. But then we're also gonna be going for the half zip pullover. Originally I wanted that in gray and green because it is kind of reminiscent of the Champion hoodie that we saw last season. I was obsessed with that hoodie, but I think I needed a bigger size because didn't like the way it fit, so I kind of wanted to get that green one to replace it. I don't know, for some reason though, I like all of these. Like, I really want the gray, I really want the green, I even kind of want the black, and I even kind of want the red. We're going to try to go for those. I'm going to learn my lesson and just go for the large. I always go for the medium, and since Supreme stuff is usually really stiff, I don't like the way it sits on my body, and I just end up getting really upset that I wish I would have got a bigger size. So I'm just going to try to get a large and pray that it fits me. Then moving along, we might get the Space Dye beanie. We're going to go for the script tee and the rhinestone skateboard, even though 110 retail is crazy, but I get it. There's rhinestones. Might get a few of the 4 life tees. Then we're going to get the cherry tee. I'm actually quite surprised that the cherry tee is so low down. I thought that was a really nice one. And then maybe a couple of the blood tees or the blockbuster tee. I'm still not really too sure on what I'm going to do for the tees yet. So I think my first cart might be the Pantone and the Star jersey. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I should try to get the zip too in there. I don't know, those are the 3 like main priority items, but at this point, like I said, I don't even know if it's even worth going for the jersey. I doubt I'm going to be able to get it. It's just L after L after L. So I don't really know if I should even waste my time trying to go for it. But I don't want to talk too much in the beginning of this video because I have a feeling this is going to be a really long one. But before we jump into the screen recording, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put a card on the screen as well as in the description down below. But while you're down there, make sure you check out my brand Sudden, because we do have a drop tomorrow. Again, I didn't announce it because this is our final installment of the Star logo tee that will be dropping for Halloween tomorrow. I know tomorrow isn't Halloween, but I wanted to drop it early to ensure that it would arrive to you before Halloween if that was something you were wanting to wear. So that will be dropping tomorrow, and if that is something you're interested in, you can go to the description down below and sign up for our emails to be notified when that drops tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. But anyways, enough talking and let's get right into this live cop. Alright, and we are live on the screen recording. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the Jordan stuff right now. What a hell that was last week. Really, still pretty upset about this. And watching the footage back, I had no clue. I didn't even get the headband, so that was also another L. That was the personal that I wanted, but fortunately we weren't able to get it. Kind of surprised the bag's still in stock. And the ball last week was an L. Huge L. But we got about 30 seconds left until the drop, and I'm nervous, guys. I'm really nervous. I'm just like sick of taking L's. Like, can we just get a dub for once, please? So I think I'm just gonna go for the Pantone, and I already forgot the other item, and that's not good because we got like 10 seconds left. Oh, the Star jersey. Is that even worth going for? I don't know. All right, we're live. We are live. All right, I'm already experiencing some lagging, which is crazy because this isn't even a wild week. Here, we're going for this in the large. I don't even care. We're going for it. We're going for this in the large. And then we're going back, going to new. I already forgot. Oh, the Star jersey. Okay. We're going to go here. No, I kind of wanted this one. We're going to go here. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. What am I even doing? Here's the Pantone. Are we going to be able to... Why would you even want 2 of those? Oh my God, $780 cart. Are we going to get this? Why am I kind of shaking right now? I'm like kind of shaking right now. Maybe I'm just so sick of taking L's. And here we go into the queue. And here we are about to take the L. Okay. Whew. $780 cart. That's crazy, guys. Is it even worth though going on the phone at this point? Like, I don't think a single time this entire season I've made it past my phone. We're still loading here. I might as well, while I'm waiting, just try to add these. Even the black is looking nice with the like little UNC blue hit. I'm actually able to open up the app and I'm like scrolling on the Supreme app, which is kind of crazy to me, and I think I kind of just jinxed myself because now I literally can't do anything. I should not have said that. I spoke a little too soon on that one, I guess. I'm just like trying to add random things in my cart. I can't even add a single thing. Yeah, I can't even get through on here. Oh wow, we're through? No, the jersey's sold out, but whatever, we still got one in there. Is it even worth getting that though? Oh no, both jerseys are sold out. All right, that's whatever. We still got the free shipping. We don't cop jerseys on this channel. It's just not a thing here, so that's fine. All right, so we did get the two personal, sorry, that I wanted. So I'm assuming that all those jerseys are sold out. I might just give up on my phone. So we got that. I did want to try to get this also. I'm gonna be crazy, guys. I know it. All right. So I'm assuming these are gone. Oh wow. Now, oh yeah, sold out. Even this color too. Sold out. Sold out. I'm probably just not gonna get the white, so I'm not even gonna hurry up and try to do a speedy checkout. We're just gonna try to do this really quick. Let's just start on these tees. We're gonna try to get all the smalls first. Kind of like this pink color. Next tee. I really like this tee, guys. I don't even care. Feel free to cook me. I thought this tee was absolutely sick. This one I'm kind of iffy about. I might just get one. I don't like this one at all. This one's sick. I really like this one. And that white is pretty clean, but I really like that purple. That's a really cool one for, I feel like, the collectors. And that one, I don't know. This too, I was kind of iffy about. Little to no branding on this, but and then that's all the tees. Oh, I forgot about the skateboard. That's not good. Maybe I'm just trying to get the skateboard in this cart and call it a day. But wait, I think I also forgot another thing. Nope, I think I forgot something else. Oh, the face mask. Are these even worth it? Really expensive. We're going for it. We're just going for it. Oh, I missed a bus. Something's out of stock. It's probably the jersey though, right? Yeah, it's the jersey and everything else looks fine. I'll worry about that later. I'm pretty sure it's just the jersey, but like I even said at the beginning of the video, like we're not even gonna be able to get the jersey. It's no big deal. Are we about to hit? Boom, we got it. Was the skateboard on there? Yeah, the skateboard's on there. All right, so we're just breezing across. We already spent $1,500. Now before I get into the tees, I'm not gonna sell it. So I got these. I don't think I need the red one. That wasn't a color I was contemplating keeping for myself, but the red is super clean. I'm not even gonna lie. All these jerseys should be gone, and they are. I didn't want the fitted. These hats are really cool. I thought these were really sick, so I'm gonna add 2 of these right now. Can you get 3? You probably can't get 3. Oh, you can? So I'm just gonna get all 3 of those. And then let's just go to the t-shirts. We're gonna go for the mediums now. We're going for the mediums. And this brown is kind of sick. I actually kind of really like these colors for the shirts. I really like this navy, but I have a really big problem with navy lately. Like people aren't messing with navy, so I might stay away from that as much as I do like it. Probably should have got that in black. I'm probably gonna regret that. And I think that was the last one. The script one's the last one, right? Oh no, this one too. This one I was kind of iffy about this as well. All right, we're going back in. It's about to be $2,000. Wow, right through. Like $2,000 total, not this cart, obviously. I again have not been looking at the camera, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm very locked in right now. Whoa, what just happened? I gotta fill out this thing. Probably can't show it because you're gonna see all my information, but I have to fill out the captcha thing again. Right through. There we go. So we already spent $2,000 on the day. And I kind of want to get some more tees because I don't hate these tees. I don't think they're the best, but I also don't think they're the worst, if that makes any sense. These are probably all still here. Yeah, I was tripping over those so fast. And let me just make sure we got everything that I needed. So yeah, is nothing even selling out this week besides the jerseys? Okay, we're gonna go back to the tee. Oh my god, no, I don't want that. I might just try to get that. I really like this shirt, guys. I kind of want to just go against my beliefs. This one I was kind of iffy on, so I don't think I'm going to get another one of those. And then I think I just have this one. All right, we're going again. I should be able to get right through. Maybe not. Semi right through. Wow, I got to do this again? It's the captcha thing again. 3 times in a row. And we got it. And then I might go one final time with these tees. All right. Wow, the crazy, these are like pretty much all entirely full size run. I think I'm going to skip out on that one again too. I'm a little too iffy on that one. Wow, the Snow White tee sold out. I didn't even notice that. I don't know if that sold out last time that we passed it. Yeah, I really like these colors of tees too, which I'm kind of surprised. Usually I'm playing D1 hater on these, but these are actually pretty nice in my opinion, like color wise. All right, here we go. Let's go. Should go right through. Come on, not right through. Let's go. A little bit longer than usual. All right, we're through. And do I gotta do this again? I don't think I did do this the first like 2 checkouts that I did, so it's kind of weird that they like brought this right now. How was that wrong? All right, come on, let's go. And we're through. Now I think I'm gonna call it here because I'm pretty sure we spent around 3 grand. So a little bit more than I thought that I was going to be spending, but I did get 3 of those zips, which I really didn't need to do that. But I really couldn't decide the color. I just want to check real quick before I end screen recording. Okay, so at least okay, that's still there. At least some of them are selling out. That's crazy. Full size run. Should I have gotten the red? Wow, so the gray was actually the only one that like semi sold out. I didn't even go for this one at all, but full size run. So that was actually kind of easy. We didn't get the jerseys, but I pretty much said that at the beginning that I wasn't going to get that. Oh yeah, I was peeping this too. This is so sick to me. Really plain, but so sick. Kind of wanted that too, but obviously we didn't get that. All right, let me end the screen recording really quick. So that's going to do it for my week 8 live cop. That actually went a lot more smoothly than I anticipated it to. I'm sorry too if it wasn't that eventful. I wasn't going crazy or anything. It was really easy and I'm kind of sick, like I said at the beginning of the video. We still spent about 3 grand though, so we got all the dubs and all the things that I wanted. I got to decide between which zip I'm going to keep because there's no reason why I need all 3 of those. So hopefully one of those looks good, and I only got large, so the large better fit or I'm going to be very very upset. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to follow me on Instagram or my brand Sudden, I will have all the information in the description down below. So make sure you check that out. I've also been uploading shorts almost every single day. So if that's another thing that you're into, make sure you check those out as well on my channel. So overall, really solid W on the week. I really only didn't get the jerseys, but I already said at the beginning of the video that I probably am not going to get the jerseys. So I'm going to consider this one a W. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.